Hi, my name is Claire from New Zealand. I'm here in Mumbai, India, having had surgery, and I've had both left and right bilateral hip replacements using the MAKO robotic system. Now, I can tell you about this. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I have no pain. They prepare it all, and it's all calculated in. And 11, 12 days later, I can walk short distances without even a stick. My doctor was great. He always involved me. And also, the other best thing was IndiCure. They kept in touch with me. I had a special person there. He was on WhatsApp app. And was always in touch with me, telling me what was happening, where to be. They could send a car for me. The whole experience has been just wonderful. And to anybody in New Zealand, I would suggest that you contact IndiCure. The prices were extremely good as compared to going private in New Zealand, and you won't be disappointed. I'm happy to recommend to anyone to use IndiCure. I just can't fault them. And more than anything, IndiCure seemed to have the whole thing under control, picking me up from the airport, dropping me back at the airport on Sunday. There was just nothing for you to worry about. If you're in pain, not getting anywhere on the waiting list, GP not able to help you, then I would really recommend you look up IndiCure on the internet and make some inquiries there so that you can get your life back and more than anything, your mobility back. Best thing I ever did. Thanks, IndiCure.